Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHP Education. Today we learn about difficult words in English. Now let's get started. Aberration, casual, abnegation, abrogate, abscond, abstruse, exceed, adamant, alacrity, canal, disinterested, encumber, enervate, ironic, rural, sesquipedalian. Sixth, Worcestershire, liberty, homogeneous, impede, irregardless, eulogy, interesting, engender, gravity, banal, finished, fawn, aberrant, placate, ingredient, emblem, disinterested, heresy, browse, blown, observe, absurd, sequel, horse, grasp, venerate, guile, faucet, buttress, echoes, accept. Thank you so much for watching my video.